Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the XII, and today in this video I'm going to show you and I'm going to review this book. It is a biology book for Neet. A2 is a Cengage class 12 A to Z biology for Neet, and I'm going to just show you and just going to review this, and that's it. If you're new to our channel, definitely subscribe to this channel because we upload study related videos like book review, notebook reviews, study vlogs and study videos. So definitely subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon and then select all notifications so that when I post a new study related video, you'll be notified instantly. Now let's get started. So here's we have the book, and here's we have the DPP. Okay, so first talk about the book. Okay, so here you can see here's the book. Okay, here right here you can find the applications. Okay, here's the license QR code you get with the book, and here's the A to Z biology for Neet plus 12. Okay, now here's the contents. Okay, so first chapter is reproduction in organism, and the second chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Third is human reproduction. Fourth is reproductive health. Then principles of inheritance and variation. Then molecular basis of inheritance. Then evolution. Then human health and diseases. Strategies for enhancement in food production. Then chapter 10, microbes in human welfare. Then chapter 11, biotechnology principles and processes. Then 12 chapter is biotechnology and its applications. Then 13 is organisms and populations. 14 is ecosystem. Then 15 is biodiversity and conservation, and then 16 is environmental issues. Okay, and then mock test 1, mock test 2, and mock test 3. The explanation, and then appendix. Need 2020 paper with explanation. Yeah, this is not the latest book. If you buy the latest book, you can get the archives up to maybe this year 2020. Need 2022, sorry, need 2022. Okay, and also right here in the appendix. Okay. So here's the first chapter. You can see reproduction in organism. Here's the chapter, and after the chapter in the here's the exercises. Okay, this also section wise. I mean there is different types of questions, like here section A, topic wise questions, and here's topic 1, asexual reproduction. Then topic 2, sexual reproduction. Okay, then topic 3, fertilization and post-fertilization events. And then section B, statement based questions. Then section C, HOTS or HOTS. Then section D, previous year's examination questions. And here's the section E, chapter and test. And after that you can get the answer key right here. It's also section wise divided, section A, B, C, D. And here's also the NEET or EIPMT questions and AIMS questions. And then section E, here's the chapter 2, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. So you can see here's the exercises. And here's the answers key. Now chapter 3, human reproduction. Here's the exercises. And here's the answer key. Now chapter 4, reproductive health. Exercises. And after that you can find the answer key. Now chapter 5, principles of inheritance and variation. Now exercises. And here's the answer key. Now chapter 6, molecular basis of inheritance. Exercises. Here's the answer key. Then chapter 7, evolution. Exercises. And here's the answer key. Chapter 8, human health and diseases. Here's the exercises. Here's the answer key. Now chapter 9, strategies for enhancement in food production. Here's the exercises. And here's the answer key. Now chapter 10, microbes in human welfare. Here's the exercises. Here's the answer key. Now chapter 11, biotechnology, principles and processes. Here's the exercises.